On May 17, 2026, Monad (MON) climbed to the fourth position on CoinGecko's trending list, trading at 0.028 with a market cap of approximately $329.6 million. While the token's 24-hour price movement was relatively flat at 0.34%, its trending status is being driven by developer interest and rising visibility in Layer 1 discussions. This is not a sudden speculative spike, but a more measured accumulation of attention from the crypto community. The question now is whether this momentum can translate into broader adoption and sustained market relevance. Monad is a Layer 1 blockchain designed to be fully compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. That compatibility is a key differentiator. It means developers can deploy Solidity-based smart contracts on Monad without rewriting them, preserving the entire Ethereum developer toolchain while gaining access to higher throughput and lower fees. This is a major advantage for teams already working in the EVM ecosystem who want faster transactions without the headache of switching to a non-EVM environment. The chain is built around two core technical innovations: parallel execution and a custom consensus mechanism called Monad BFT. Parallel execution allows non-conflicting transactions to be processed simultaneously rather than sequentially, which increases throughput significantly. Combined with Monad BFT, which is designed for fast finality and low overhead, this architecture. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Enables Monad to target up to 10,000 transactions per second while keeping fees near zero. These features are part of a broader trend in the crypto space: the push for scalable, EVM-compatible blockchains. As Ethereum's throughput limitations become more pressing, especially with growing demand from DeFi and NFT applications, Layer 1s like Monad are stepping in to offer alternatives that preserve EVM compatibility while improving performance. This is a high-stakes race, with major players like Arbitrum and others also positioning themselves as EVM-compatible solutions with high throughput and low fees. In terms of market metrics, MON's daily trading volume reached $51.9 million, which is a solid figure relative to its market cap of $329.6 million. This suggests active turnover and engagement rather than thin, speculative trading. The token's price in BTC is currently at 0.00000036 BTC, placing it at rank 138 globally. While these numbers are not yet in the stratosphere, they indicate a growing presence in the Layer 1 space. The key uncertainty is whether this developer and market attention will translate into meaningful adoption. The EVM Layer 1 space is highly competitive, and while Monad's technical design is compelling, it still needs to prove itself in real-world usage. The next signal to watch is whether more developers begin deploying contracts on Monad and whether any major DeFi or NFT projects choose to migrate or launch on the chain. The broader stakes are clear. If Monad can successfully attract and retain a critical mass of developers and users, it could become a major player in the EVM Layer 1 ecosystem. That would mean increased visibility, higher trading volumes, and potentially stronger price action. But if the momentum stalls, or if competitors like Arbitrum gain more traction, Monad could struggle to maintain its current position. The challenge for the chain is not just technical, but also network and community. It needs to build a robust ecosystem of most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Developers, users, and infrastructure providers. That includes things like tooling, analytics platforms, and integrations with major crypto exchanges and wallets. The more these pieces come together, the more likely it is that Monad will see sustained growth. At this point, the focus is on whether the current interest in Monad is a passing trend or the beginning of a more lasting shift. The next key signal will be the level of developer activity and the number of live contracts on the chain. If that number starts to rise sharply, it could be a sign that Monad is gaining real traction in the EVM Layer 1 space.